Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, I am creating another disconnected fade. Now I saved the final shot of this haircut for last, so please make sure that you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The client has asked me for a number 1. To make this guideline, I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber with the number 1 detachable metal guard. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Cut all of the hair that's underneath the hair that's pulled away and create a separation. For this blend, I'll be using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat, and avoid touching the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade slightly, and repeat. Continue doing this until the demarcation is gone. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. Now it's time to make the hairline pop with the straight razor. If your fade looks like this or better, you've done well. Thanks for watching. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.